Hi, all. The first thing we're going to do today is we're going to go over the two short tasks that you had to do on the day on yesterday. So the first one was that you had to watch a Brainpop Ed puzzle about photosynthesis, and you had to answer 7 short questions with that Brainpop. So make sure you check your answers as we go along. If something is wrong, fix it. Okay. This is already set up as a text box. So all you have to do is put the cursor in there, click it, and there you go. Okay. And then just put in the correct answers. The process in which plants can make their own food is called photosynthesis. If it goes to the next line and you don't like it to do that, you can just get rid of the extra spaces. The sugar that plants make is called glucose. Okay. So they call it sugar, but the big boy term is glucose, and I expect my students to know that. Part of the plant that absorbs the carbon dioxide in the air, that actually occurs in the leaf in a special organelle called a stomata. And we will read a short passage that talks about the stomata a little more. The organelle that is responsible for photosynthesis is the chloroplast. Now remember, that was one of the organelles that animal cells do not have. Number 5, the green pigment that makes a chloroplast green is called chlorophyll. And I always encourage my kids to remember it by thinking that chlorophyll fills the chloroplast, right? So again, when you are running around outside and you slide on the grass and your pants or shorts or knees are all green, what you've done is you broke open the chloroplast and you've released the chlorophyll onto your clothes. Number 6, in the process of photosynthesis, radiant energy, remember, radiant energy is energy from the sun that is transformed or changed into chemical energy. Remember when we did energy, we talked about the fact that chemical energy is released when bonds are broken. Okay. So the chemical energy is stored in the bonds of the glucose, and then later on it gets broken down. Number 7, the waste gas, so important to us in photosynthesis, is oxygen. Okay. So the key to all of this is remember that plants take in carbon dioxide and water, they need sun, and they convert that into photosynthesis. And one of the happy waste products or leftovers of that is oxygen, which is really, really important to us. Okay. The next screencastify is going to be a review of the short responses that you had to do on the next slide. Thank you.